Okay, I have to talk more about this duffel before I start like my next unboxing because I'm obsessed with this, y'all. It's like not too huge. I didn't get the biggest size. I got the second biggest. I had the biggest one before and it just seemed like a lot. This quality is, I think, one of the best quality bags I've ever gotten, which says a lot because I've had some pretty amazing quality bags. Yeah, I'm so impressed. I'm so impressed. So let's move on to number 2. I went from my biggest Louis that I've gotten to one of my smallest. I've been wanting like a small little crossbody for a long time, and this is the freaking cutest. I probably put the straps on wrong. I know that you can like put the straps on differently, but my video cut off because my phone's gonna die. But this is the cutest. It came with the chain, it came with the strap. Again, I need to figure out how to put this on because I probably didn't do it right. Great structure, y'all. It's tiny. Like it will probably pass those little like stadium checks because it's so small. It's got great structure on the inside. It's got like the Louis tag. Just so cute. So we're winning with the 2 Louis today. You know where to get them. You can get them at Louis Vuitton or you can get them in the link in my video. Hope y'all are having a wonderful day.